What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never, and welcome back to another update on Turbo. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so as usual, we're going to start off with a Bitcoin update. And you can see that Bitcoin is still just wanting to consolidate at the moment. I thought there for a while we were actually going to get the bounce because we had bounced off of the trend line and we bounced off of the 21-day. And we had two pretty strong green candles in a row. But the problem is this red candle right here. This happened to be the monthly Bitcoin candle close. And anytime you have a monthly candle close, there's going to be heavy volatility, and this time the market makers took it down. Now, I will say this next red candle right here actually closed beneath the 21-day moving average. That isn't ideal to see, however, we could still very easily bounce off of the 50-day or off of this trend line again. Either way, I still believe that this cup and handle is intact, and this is the pattern that I've been telling you guys to watch. You can see the cup right here, and you can see the handle forming. And in my opinion, as long as we do not lose this trend line, I think that we could absolutely get a breakout from here. But what might be a little bit more important for Turbo right now is Ethereum. So for the last few weeks, I've been telling you guys to watch this trend line on ETH. When I'm showing you guys the Bitcoin chart, we already broke out of this trend line. But when you look at Ethereum, it clearly has not broken out of the trend line. Now, a couple days ago, I thought we were going to get the breakout. But this candle also again happened to be on the monthly candle close. So the candle got sold off hard, and then this candle was a massive bearish engulfing candle. So honestly, as we stand right now, I'm still looking for Ethereum to consolidate a little while longer. We need to see Ethereum get back above this trend line. If that does not happen, then expect more downside. But the main level that you need to watch for Ethereum is the 200-day. We do not want to lose this level. If we lose the 200-day, then yes, things could get a little bit worse. But because of how close we are getting to the 200-day, I also think that a big move is coming pretty soon. Now, is it going to be to the upside or to the downside? Only time will tell. But eventually, we're going to get to a point where the trend line and the 200-day are almost touching. Now, when we look at the meme coin market, you can see that most meme coins are getting hammered. Over the last week, pretty much everything is down double digits. And you can see a lot of these projects like Official Trump is down 35%. Bonk is down 23%. And when you scroll down, you can see that Turbo is currently sitting here down 14%. And this is one of the things that I want to emphasize about Turbo because a lot of people are freaking out about it. If you look around, Turbo is actually holding better than a lot of projects. Now, if we look at the Turbo chart, again, yes, it has lost key support, but so have most other projects. It's sitting at a $347 million market cap. But I want you guys to look at this chart. We had an initial explosion, we pulled back, bounced off of support, then we put in a higher high, and then now we have gotten hammered. And yes, we have put in a lower low, which is not ideal to see. The Pepe chart looks basically the same. It did not pull back as much after the initial run up. However, it put in a higher high, and then now it's just been getting hammered. So I'm telling you guys, don't think for a second that it's only Turbo that's bleeding. Pretty much all meme coins are getting hammered at the moment. I'm not saying every single meme coin out there, but most of them are. Honestly, the only chain that has been doing very well recently is Base Chain. Definitely most of the Ethereum memes have been getting hammered. So again, to be clear, it is not just Turbo. When you look at the Turbo X account, nothing has changed. They're up to 108,000 followers. And they still post on here every single day, keeping their community engaged. This is exactly what you want to see in a meme coin. And if you just sit here and you look at everything that Turbo is accomplishing, it's very impressive. They are doing so much more than most other meme coins. And I still absolutely believe that they have one of the strongest communities out there. But at the end of the day, there's not much else that I can say about Turbo. This is a meme coin. It's moving with the rest of the market. Do I think that you guys should be panicking right now? No, I do not. But at the same time, we need to see Ethereum break out. If ETH can get a breakout, then I wouldn't be shocked if Turbo follows it. But if you guys are interested in getting into projects super early like Turbo, then I also recommend taking a look at my Discord. At the current moment, I have 3 different tiers. But we've been making life-changing gains in here for the last year. Just in 2024 alone, we've already called 6 different 200x projects as a community. Just to put that in perspective, a $1,000 investment could return into over $200,000. To most people, those are life-changing gains. So if this is the kind of stuff that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building an amazing community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But as always, I want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover come with extremely high risk. Make sure you always do your own research. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments how high do you guys think Turbo will go this bull run. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.